Hey, it's Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. Come spend a few days in LA with me. Good morning. Happy Saturday. I just got the new iPhone, so I'm going to head over to the store so I can help transfer everything from my old phone to my new phone because I don't want to mess it up and lose anything. Before I do that, I'm going to take Leo for a walk because he's going crazy. After taking Leo for a walk, I decided to head over to Beverly Hills to grab a coffee and walk around. The weather was so nice this day. Later that night, one of my girlfriends invited me to go to a pre-screening of the movie Eternity at the Grove. It was such a fun, different thing to do, and another reason why I love living in LA. And I just got an email that my car got a free upgrade, so it's actually driving itself right now to In-N-Out, which is pretty cool. Happy Friday. I'm at my usual place, In-N-Out. Usually on Fridays I'll grab In-N-Out to go and I'll stay in and watch a movie with Leo. This is the second time I asked for extra grilled onions and there's hardly any on there. It's so disappointing.
This is not a tip, this is a prescription, trust me. If you don't.
Happy Saturday. I just found out there's a Ralph Lauren pop-up. I brought Leo in his sweater and we're gonna go check it out. It's almost 4 o'clock and I'm just about to head into Beverly Hills. There's a new coffee shop that just opened that I've been wanting to try, but every time I go, there's always a huge line. So I'm hoping at this time the line's a little bit shorter, so we'll see. I just got home and the coffee shop I wanted to go to closed at 4, but on my way home I stopped at Raising Cane's. They just opened up one in Hollywood and I haven't had it in so long. I'm so excited. I'm just going to finish the movie that I started yesterday and enjoy my food. I've been going through a bit of a hard time recently, so I did some retail therapy. I ordered from a couple of different stores and I'm not sure if I want to keep everything, but we'll see. I'll do a try on haul of everything too. Don't you love Leo's little sweater? It says, "The snuggle is real." The first place I ordered from was Aloe. I got 2 black jackets, so one of them is definitely gonna be going back. This one's like a kind of a windbreaker material, and this one is a little bit softer, and I'm not sure if you can see, but it has a bit of a texture. So those were the first things. They're having a good Black Friday sale. The next place I ordered from was a brand called Liao, and I pretty much got all black in this haul. This is a black dress. I thought it was really cute for the holiday season and also for summer. This is the next dress. It's just a cute little halter dress, also good for the holidays. And last is another black dress. This one kind of has a corset waist and flares out at the bottom. So I've been looking for a top like this for so long. I think it's so cute for the winter, and I saw a girl on TikTok wearing it and she said it was from Shein, so I had to get one. But it's this sheer top with this sheer top with kind of furs at the bottom. Very cute. I also got another black item. This one is similar to that Liao dress, but a fraction of the cost, so we'll see which one fits better. The last place I went to is Wasteland, which is a secondhand store in LA, and I got another black item. This is just a plain black mini skirt. It's by House of CB, which is normally a pretty expensive brand, but I got a really good deal on it, and I wear black mini skirts quite often. So when I see one that fits really well, I have to get it. Theo, come on. This happens every time I try to film something. He gets a burst of energy. Come here. But I got another set from a brand, and it says it was delivered, but it's nowhere to be found in my mailroom. So once that comes in, I will show that as well.
On Sunday, I went to the farmer's market and took Leo on a little morning walk.
Okay, that's enough. Leo. Okay, leave me alone. You're scratching. Leo. Okay, that's enough. Oh my God, he won't leave me alone.
Later that afternoon, I went with one of my girlfriends to grab some pancakes at the Beverly Hills Hotel. It was all decorated for Christmas, and it's one of my favorite places to go in LA. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.